Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In comparing the two video clips here, we can see that the one on the right with a background fill looks more professional. Now I'll show you how to set up a visually appealing background for a video. First, let's open the screen recording software. I'll record a short video focusing on demonstrating the background setup. Alright, I've got the video now, and you can see that the editor has already set a background for my video. Here, I can customize the background to my liking. Of course, you can upload your favorite background image and set it up. But for me, this one works just fine. Now, if I want more space around the video, I can adjust the width in the padding section. This looks better now. I'd also like to make the corners of the original video a bit smoother, so I'll adjust them like this. Okay, I think the video looks great now. Let's click play and see how it looks. Great, now I'll click on Export Video. Here, I can choose the resolution. I need a high-definition video, so I've selected 4K. Next, let's take a look at the final result. That wraps it up for this episode. I've included product information used in the video in the description below. Welcome, new friends, to experience it.